Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best 100% Forex deposit welcome bonus offers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A 100% Forex deposit welcome bonus is an incentive offered by some Forex brokers to attract new traders. When a trader deposits funds into their account, the broker matches the deposit amount, effectively doubling the trader's initial capital. This bonus can provide traders with more trading power and flexibility, allowing them to take larger positions or explore various trading strategies. Traders who are searching for some of the best 100% Forex deposit welcome bonus offers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best 100% Forex deposit welcome bonus offers. Coming in first at number 5 in our list, we have Forex for You. Forex for You is a leading online Forex broker that caters to traders worldwide, offering a comprehensive platform for Forex trading and related financial services. With a user-friendly interface and a wide range of trading tools, Forex for You aims to empower both novice and experienced traders to navigate the intricate world of foreign exchange markets efficiently. Forex for You provides traders with access to real-time market data, educational resources, and expert analysis, enabling them to make informed trading decisions. By prioritizing customer satisfaction and providing competitive trading conditions, Forex for You has established itself as a reliable and trustworthy choice for individuals seeking to participate in the dynamic Forex market. Forex for You offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the varied needs and preferences of traders. These instruments include major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, as well as commodities, energies, indices, and popular cryptocurrencies. Forex for You is dedicated to enhancing the trading experience of its clients by offering a variety of enticing bonus promotions. These bonuses provide traders with additional incentives to bolster their trading activities. The specific bonus promotions may vary over time, so traders are encouraged to visit the Forex for You website regularly to stay informed about the latest offerings. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary Forex for You trading platform, which is all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The broker offers a range of account types designed to suit the diverse needs and trading preferences of its clients. These accounts include Cent, Classic, Classic Fixed, Cent Pro, Classic Pro, Classic Standard, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. Each of these account types cater to specific trading needs, with varying features, spreads, and execution methods. Forex for You is committed to providing traders with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the Forex market. Traders can find a wealth of educational resources designed to enhance their trading capabilities. These educational offerings typically include a variety of resources such as articles, video tutorials, webinars, as well as interactive courses. Traders can explore topics ranging from the fundamentals of Forex trading to advanced strategies and market analysis techniques. Forex for You's educational materials are structured to cater to traders of all levels. Whether you are a beginner looking to grasp the basics or experienced traders seeking to refine their skills, by providing easy access to a wealth of educational content, Forex for You ensures that its clients have the tools and resources they need to make informed trading decisions and achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of Forex trading. At number 4 on our list is RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. Coming in at number 3, we have Admirals. Admirals is a prominent Forex broker, and when it comes to navigating the world of online trading, they are your go-to source of expertise. Regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, Admirals ensures a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its clients. With a wide array of financial instruments, traders can rely on Admirals for access to global markets and comprehensive trading tools. Their commitment to education and customer support makes Admirals an ideal choice for both novice and experienced traders looking to capitalize on the foreign exchange market. Admirals offers a diverse range of market instruments to empower traders and investors. From Forex currency pairs and commodities, such as gold and oil, to a wide selection of stocks and indices, Admirals provides access to a comprehensive array of financial instruments, ensuring a secure and trusted trading environment. Their welcome bonus is a fantastic opportunity for new traders to kickstart their trading journey with added financial support. Upon joining the Admirals community, new users can benefit from an exclusive welcome bonus designed to enhance their trading experience, and this bonus serves as an additional capital injection, providing traders with extra funds to explore the financial markets and execute trades. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Admirals offers a diverse range of trading accounts, catered to the unique needs of traders at every level of experience. These accounts include the Trade Zero and Trade MetaTrader accounts. They also provide Demo and Islamic account options. Each of these accounts are thoughtfully designed to provide flexibility, choice, and the tools necessary to meet individual trading objectives. Admirals offers a rich and diverse collection of educational resources to empower traders at all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first steps in the world of trading, or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, Admirals has got you covered. For beginners, the platform provides comprehensive guides, articles, and video tutorials to build a solid foundation. For those with more experience, Admirals offers advanced educational materials, technical analysis webinars, and in-depth market insights. These resources help seasoned traders refine their skills and stay updated on the latest market trends and strategies. At number 2 on our list is FBS. FBS, a globally recognized online trading broker, stands at the forefront of the financial industry, offering a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide and established with a commitment to providing access to financial markets for both novice and experienced traders. FBS has rapidly gained prominence for its user-friendly interface, innovative trading tools, and a wide array of financial instruments. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its global clientele, including Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotics. FBS distinguishes itself by providing traders with a diverse portfolio of instruments, offering flexibility and opportunities for profit across different asset classes, and ensures a comprehensive and accessible trading experience for individuals at all levels of expertise. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Whether traders prefer the classic MetaTrader 4 or the advanced capabilities of MetaTrader 5, or even the convenience of mobile and web-based platforms, FBS ensures a diverse range of options to suit different trading styles and preferences. They offer a tailored trading experience with a variety of account types, designed to accommodate the diverse preferences and styles of its clientele. Traders can choose from a range of account options, including the Standard, Cent, and Pro accounts, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. By offering a diverse range of account types, FBS ensures that traders can select the option that best aligns with their individual preferences, experience levels, and trading strategies. They also offer a diverse array of educational material, which includes guidebooks, tips, video lessons, and more. Also offered is a variety of webinars, seminars, and tutorials, which cover essential topics such as market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. These educational sessions are conducted by seasoned professionals and industry experts, offering valuable insights and practical tips to help traders make informed decisions. Overall, FBS stands as a leading force in the online trading industry, providing a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. The broker's range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources reflect its dedication to creating a dynamic and supportive trading environment. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best 100% Forex deposit welcome bonus offers, we have InstaForex. InstaForex, a renowned online Forex broker, stands as a global leader in providing a comprehensive range of financial services for traders and investors worldwide. Established with a commitment to innovation and excellence, InstaForex has emerged as a trusted platform for individuals seeking to participate in the dynamic world of Forex trading. The broker provides a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, that cater to the dynamic needs of traders on its platform. These instruments include Forex, shares, indices, commodity futures, oil and gas, cryptocurrencies, and InstaFutures. Whether traders are looking to engage in short-term intraday trading or adopt a long-term investment approach, InstaForex's diverse range of currency pairs caters to various trading styles and preferences. InstaForex offers a state-of-the-art trading experience through its versatile and user-friendly trading platforms, providing traders with powerful tools to navigate the dynamic financial markets. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4 platform, the MetaTrader 5 platform, the multi-terminal trading platform, and their proprietary WebTrader trading platform. Whether traders are novices or seasoned professionals, the InstaForex platforms caters to a diverse range of trading styles and preferences for those who prioritize accessibility and functionality in their trading activities. Traders can choose from an array of trading account types, each offering unique features and capabilities to enhance their trading experience. These accounts include the Insta and Cent, Standard and Eureka accounts, with Demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, InstaForex's range of trading platforms and account types ensures that they have the tools and flexibility needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. The broker also offers a wide array of educational resources, which encompasses a variety of formats, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and video content. These materials cover fundamental concepts, technical analysis, risk management, and trading strategies, offering traders valuable insights into the complexities of the financial markets. InstaForex actively also promotes practical learning through demo accounts, allowing traders to apply their required skills in a risk-free environment. This hands-on experience helps traders gain confidence and proficiency before venturing into live trading. Overall, InstaForex stands as a distinguished force in the online trading industry, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to cater to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. With a commitment to innovation, transparency, and client satisfaction, InstaForex provides a user-friendly and secure trading environment. Whether one is looking to delve into the world of Forex trading, explore diverse financial instruments, or enhance their trading skills, InstaForex offers a dynamic and supportive ecosystem. The broker's continuous efforts to stay at the forefront of industry trends, coupled with its global outreach and community engagement, position InstaForex as a leader in fostering a thriving community of informed and successful traders. And those are some of the top 5 best 100% Forex deposit welcome bonus offers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.